Give any truck the powerful sound of a train horn. The Siberian Express has been engineered by Wolo with the latest technology, using reinforced ABS. The sound produced by the three trumpets is incredible, 152 decibels measured at 1 meter. Using reinforced ABS significantly decreases the overall weight, making installation easier and ensuring less vibration when driving on rough roads. The trumpets are finished with an attractive semi-gloss black finish. The Siberian Express requires an onboard air system with a minimum 3-gallon storage tank. Wolo recommends onboard air system model 840 turbo tank and compressor. Siberian Express comes with all mounting hardware, 10 feet of 1/4-inch nylon high-pressure hose, and easy-to-follow installation instructions in both English and Spanish. Siberian Express comes in 3 popular models. Model 847, which is built with a heavy-duty 12-volt electric solenoid. Model 848, which is built with a heavy-duty 24-volt electric solenoid. And Model 849, which uses a manual lanyard valve, which is included. To protect your hearing and the hearing of others in close proximity to the Siberian Express, always use proper ear protection. If you have any questions about installing or using your Wolo horn, a toll-free phone number is provided in the package for technical support. Wolo's technicians will be happy to answer any of your questions Monday through Friday, 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Siberian Express is a registered trademark of Wolo Manufacturing.